Oh no! God damn it!
Why'd you do that?
I don't know. You said hide and I got into it. Just dipped the club right in the water. Like all the way. God, I'm an idiot. Alright, dudes. Not sure how well you guys can see me, but we got about 20 minutes left until we can start shooting. Not sure how much talking I've done, but we got about 10 dozen diver decoys out, so yeah. Hopefully the divers are going to be doing it this morning. Anyway, stay tuned. Nick and Brett are just about here. They had to go park the boat, and it's about to be go time.
What time can we shoot at?
No.
There's somewhere to the right. Holy shit.
Oh, mallards. Guaranteed that's why we're not seeing them, because they're heading over to the area in the morning.
It's go time, dudes. There is birds everywhere. Got a beautiful sunset soon here.
It's a sunrise, bro.
Shut up. They knew it was time to boat.
Dusk to dawn.
Dusk to dawn outdoors, baby. Right here.
I can shoot him, Brett.
Get them.
Them are cruising.
Those were flying.
Cruising.
That's behind them. Cool shot.
Look how bright that looks already.
It's like brighter than the fucking sky.
It's like brighter than it is, actually.
Yeah, the old GoPro stuff, I know. Down the water. Down the water. Right, coming right through the decoys. Brett, get him. Get him.
Oh, God. Cannot shoot sitting down.
That kid's throwing heat. Heat, Schmied.
Hey.
Damn it, I wish I would have been ready for that.
Maya!
Did I? Oh, he went down too.
No way.
Oh, yeah.
Yup. So you did diddle him a little bit. Nice.
See what the 20's all about? Does he barely get a shot off?
I let him shoot once. Then I was in there.
Little update, dudes. Hopefully it's not too windy, but we're seeing a crap ton of mallards, not a lot of divers. Hey, Brady,
Yo.
I think now is the perfect time to let everybody know that this video is sponsored by Tidewee.
Love them.
Today's episode is sponsored by Tidewee. If you guys haven't heard of Tidewee, it is a very new but very awesome company that we have decided to partner up with for the 2020 waterfall season. Even though they are a new company, they came out swinging. They already got a ton of awesome products, such as awesome waders, awesome boots. They got trail cameras, they got hunting chairs, they got like backpacks, and they just got all kinds of awesome stuff. And they also have a ton of stuff coming in the near future. We've been using their waders now pretty much all season, and they're so freaking warm. As you can see here, my cousin Brett, he doesn't even like wearing clothes when he's wearing his waders. They're just that warm. Okay, I don't want to bore you guys too much longer. Back to the regular scheduled program. Not 100% sure if the GoPro was on. I'm gonna be kind of mad if it wasn't, but we just got two bills that did it dirty. And they're swimming in the decoys still, so the boys are trying to get them. Got them. Got them. Stay tuned. Hopefully they... It's kind of a slow morning, but hopefully they start doing it like that. I fell. Is it?
I think so.
I think it's a hen. Dude, it's a butterball. Hell yeah, dudes. First butterball of the season. Try not to get my hand all wet. Look at that beauty. It's actually kind of small. Real nice drake though. No wonder why you pooped them.
Yeah.
Freaking butterball.
Awesome,
That's
dude.
a sexy one too.
Yeah, I haven't seen one of those all season.
That's a good one.
Little guy, dude.
Yeah, that's what I said. A little head. Guys, it's sexy though.
Oh god, this thing is so mad. No wonder why he came right in. Things are dumb.
Yeah, it's the first one I've seen this year, dude.
Same here. I'm wondering if they're starting to go down in population because they're so dumb.
Right?
9 o'clock.
Prime time, baby.
What time is it?
9.
Right this Saturday.
What is it?
10 golden eye. Watch these other birds though.
They might.
We should stand up and shoot this bitch or what?
Hold
I
on.
was just seeing what the other birds are gonna do.
What they do?
Let's shoot this one. Fuck.
Did he get away?
Yeah.
No way.
He said sure, why not? He already shot his buck.
Oh no. Might do it, please. Don't go right.
Little update, dudes. Me and Brett decided to move down a little bit. The boys are back there, but yeah, stay tuned. We're not shooting as many as we'd like to. Anything to add?
Let's get it.
I'm cold,
Let's make it better.
or my hands are cold. Stay tuned. Should we go a little more?
Oh,
We can go whichever way you want. We both just walk different directions.
It stays with steps for quite a while. I was just kind of thinking for a little bit to this shot like it in here.
Just taking my time. Do not want to fall in these parts. Oh no! God damn it!
Why'd you
Dude.
do that?
I don't know. You said hide and I got into it. Just dipped the glove right in the water. Like all the way. God, I'm an idiot.
Just dipped it.
I forgot how deep we were.
You know what's crazy?
What?
How come ice water don't freeze all the way to the bottom? You know, in the summer it's like you go down deeper, like 10 feet, it's colder.
Yeah. Weird. I don't know.
I was
I've never thought of
I was
that.
just thinking about that.
Dang, dude.
Just don't leave that 32.
I don't know. That's weird. Cause yeah, like when you're at the pits and stuff, you dive down 10 feet
Yeah, it's like
and it's cold.
yeah, even like down by your toes at like 6 feet.
Yeah. Dang. Might have to look that up.
If we would have pulled up earlier, we would have shot more. 'Cause I had to turn around on my second shot.
I was saying, I was like, should we shoot?
Mm-hmm. Should have. Well, if I was down like this, I didn't know exactly where they were. They just disappeared behind my hat. I should have just said shoot right when that happened.
Little update, dudes. I really hope this thing was on because me and Brett just dumped 2 or 3 big old pterodactyls came right over us. So yeah, I really hope this was on, but it's not looking good. Anyways, stay tuned. Not sure how much longer we're gonna stay here, but me and Brett definitely found the spot. I sent Nick a funny snap. Waves are getting bigger. You can really feel the motion in the ocean now. Holy crap, is there a boat or something?
No, just waves.
It's freaking getting windy.
Let's roll. Oh, I just said two.
What do you think, Nick?
I think we got
Them
ducks.
gloves are in there.
Gloves?
Oh yeah, get those.
Oh yeah, dude, we got
those
those new
gloves.
Tide Weed gloves. I'm using those.
I'm you.
No. Alright, dudes, as you can see, we're out on the boat and we have 10 dozen diver decoys. They're way over there, you can't see them, but we have like 10 dozen diver decoys. gonna suck.
3-pack coming in. Get down.
Where?
Out front. Oh, some chocolate mizzle.
You already know how I roll, dude.
Oh, you got a Snickers in there too?
Yeah. You want half?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Should we leave them? Alright, dudes. Here's the final product. One pterodactyl merganser. One actually really nice northern drake. One beautiful little butterball. And then the rest are bills. Not bad. Could have been better, but could have done worse.